Thank you for checking out my YouTube video. We are in Detroit. This is Wooward. I haven't decided what I'm going to name this video, but we're going to take a look at these buildings. We're going to end at that building right there. Here, let me put stuff in my pocket real quick. That's the Maccabees building over there. But anyways, we're going to look at 3 buildings. The Maccabees building is going to be the last one. This is going to be the first one now. And then the second one's going to be right over there. So if you're interested in seeing some of these, or 3 of these really interesting buildings in Detroit built in the 1920s with some amazing detailing, just stay watching this video. You can see like all the detailing in the windows. If you want to see more of Detroit in the future, please subscribe. We'll do a little bit of a walk. We'll start here. We'll go across the street over there, and then we'll end over there. I'll talk a little bit about each of these buildings, show you guys some of the detailing. You can see like Archimedes, Socrates, Plato, knowledge is power. This is a library in Detroit, off of Wooward. This is the main Detroit Public Library. And just like all the detailing right there. Yeah, I'll try to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. If you've never been to Detroit before, really beautiful buildings, beautiful architecture. And you got a museum right there. You got another museum or 2 over there. This is Wooward, by the way. And you got this beautiful library. It's closed right now, obviously, because of the time. I'm just out enjoying the night, thinking to myself, what kind of YouTube videos can I do? Do something different, you know? And this whole area, they got over there, they got a science center. So this is like the museum district or whatever you call it. I think I might call it that. And then this is Wooward right here. We're gonna make our way across. So if you've never been to Detroit, this is Wooward. This is like the main street in Detroit if you ever visit Detroit. Go a little bit fast. As you can see downtown all the way down there. Beautiful night. If you've never been to the DIA and you're in the Detroit area, you're missing out. There are a lot of interesting things in this whole building. Nice place to do photography. I'm a photographer. We'll go. But yeah, this is the DIA, all this right here, Detroit Institute of Arts. We'll do a little bit of a walk. You got people doing photos right there. I'm hoping you guys are liking this video. Let's take a second to just listen to the sound. It was a cold winter in Detroit. To be able to enjoy the weather and the water is a nice thing, at least for a couple months. If you've never been to Michigan in general, we've got great lakes, great boating, great beaches, all along the Lake Michigan side especially. Michigan's a good place in the summer. So we're just gonna walk up here. And obviously this would be all open during the day. The Thinker. But I mean, look at this. Like the detailing and everything. And these are all open, you know, when it is. But I mean, just look at, we got some really good museums here in the city. But like, look at all that. All these buildings, all 3 of these buildings that I'm showing you were built in the 20s. You've got even more museums out that way. So if you're in the Detroit area and you like museums, this is the area. Or if you're visiting, this is where you're gonna wanna be. Beautiful pieces in there. You know, they got the exhibit from Africa I like. They have everything in there. Beautiful night. Hopefully you guys are liking this video so far. Yeah, this is, I believe it's, I'm pretty sure like if you're in Wayne, Oakland, and Macomb County, it's free to get in. As long as you show your ID. I don't think I've ever been left. I was gonna go right. But it looks a lot nicer over here. We might go across the street, check out what that building is. If you have any questions about anything you see in this video, just put it in the comment section. Yeah, all this is connected. This is all the Detroit Institute of Arts. Places to sit out here. I'm kind of interested to see what that building is across the street. There's a... That's pretty loud for a motorcycle. He just crossed West Grand Boulevard. Yeah, it's if you've never been to Detroit, it's a good time. You know, I don't know what you know of Detroit if you've never been here, but if you've been wanting to check it out, definitely do that. You know, it's about 45 minutes to the airport, 45 minutes. Not that close, but you know, you can rent a car or you could stay by the airport. It'd be cheaper, but you're gonna just have to drive back and forth. But there's any questions, if you're interested in visiting Detroit, any questions you have, just put it in the comment section. I'm just trying to think of some things to talk about before we get to this one, this building. Oh, Horace H. Rackey Educational Memorial. Didn't even know. These are museums down here too. But this is a library, guys. Probably built in the 20s. Detroit. I mean, look at this. It's so peaceful, you know? We've got some amazing architecture in some of these buildings. I wasn't planning on checking out this building, but I'm here and learned something new. Never knew what this building was. Very cool. Yeah, all this right here. There's somebody over there. We'll go back down here. Hopefully you guys are liking this video. I like doing these outdoor videos while it's warm. I believe that's not an entrance. That's, you go in there, I see tickets. That may be for events. That main entrance is on Woodward. So we'll go here, show you the Maccabees building. But back in the day, from what I understand, they used to do a lot of radio broadcasts out of this building. And WXYZ used to be in this building back around 1940. They used to do a lot of radio broadcasts before television became really popular, when people gathered around the radio. I've never been in the Maccabees building, but I want to go in. We'll go right up in that area right there. You'll probably see some things. And that'll be the end of the video of my little museum walk. There's a couple more museums that you didn't see. This whole area around Wayne State has all the museums. A lot of people different types of people live around here, but a lot of college students, people that work at the university. Wayne State's right over there. What else? Yeah, we'll go check this out. Actually, you know what we'll do? This is the Maccabees building right here. But it's chased right now, but you can see like the doors, even like this right here. Looks like it was a really nice place. Yeah, that's what it looks like in there. Really beautiful. Look at the inside. See it in there? Very cool. Then you get shields. But you can see, I look at all this stuff. You can tell Detroit's a well-built city, and they're doing their best to save some of that. You know what I mean? That's one of the things I like about Detroit. Yeah, is a lot of these buildings are built really, really nice. You can see like the windows and things like that, and people walk right in here. Yeah, it looks nice on the inside. All that right there. Come back around here. I'll go across the street. Hopefully you guys are liking this video. It's towards the end. We started right over there at the Detroit Public Library. Then we made our way to DIA. Then we checked out that library. I forgot the name of it. Horace something. And then that's the Maccabees building, where they used to do all the old radio programs. Then you have Wayne State Parking Garage. If you want to park in a garage, check it out. This area, or there's free parking here when you can get it. Wayne State right there. So let me know what you think in the comment section about my 12-minute museum tour. And thank you for your support.